Alright, so as you can see, the Hellcat is not in my garage, and that's for a very good reason. I just got some pictures and videos of my Hellcat, and the first big cosmetic modification has been completed. Trust me, there's a much bigger one also on the way, but it's all done. I was supposed to pick up the car tomorrow, but after seeing the car, to be honest, I feel like a little kid. I'm not gonna sleep tonight if I don't pick up that car tonight. So, let's go pick it up, and let me show you guys what I did. I am at a bus stop. I am waiting for an Uber that's going to be taking me to lighting Trendz, and we'll finally be able to see the Hellcat in person. Like I said, I saw those pictures and videos and they were crazy. I feel like I just bought a brand new car. All right guys, Uber finally pulled up. That's my guy right over there. Hopefully I don't get run over. Let's see. I'll see you guys when we get to the shop. The ride here, I guess from home, using public transportation, it's a lot longer, but the drive is only about an hour and a half from me, and I'm out in Long Island. But I'll show you guys the car in a second. Let me just go inside first. It looks pretty crazy in person, I'm not gonna lie. I've had the car since it was new. I took delivery of this late 2017. It's a 2018. Yeah. I should have done this shit right away. Holy, it just changes the car.
I literally get people that leave the dealership, and I get dealerships that do this stuff.
Yeah.
We get dealerships that do this on showroom floor cars.
Especially now that I'm picking it up at nighttime, it's just crazy.
As far as controlling them, you can go into each individual one and change it.
Yep.
But you can also go into the group, which I created under JMC.
Okay.
Click on the group, and then be able to change everything all together. So
that's doing the underglow. Yeah,
underglow, grill, everything.
Gotcha.
But if I wanted to keep it on red and I wanted to turn the DRLs on white,
yeah,
I can just go into the DRLs and turn them on factory white.
Gotcha.
That works for the tubes, the demons, everything that's in.
And this is what I was asking before. So that actually, I love the way this one looks right there. That little setup too. So if I turn off all of them, there's a switch inside to turn them all off, right?
There's 6 individual switches.
6 switches. So if all 6 switches are off and I turn on my car, my regular daytime running lights will not turn on, right?
Correct. I made one special switch for the DRLs so you'd remember which one they are.
Okay.
But the cool thing about the remotes is that it has memory.
Yep.
So if you leave it on like this,
yeah,
and only turn on your DRL switch, it's going to go to that factory
just the
white.
white ones will turn on.
Yeah.
So that's actually a great idea. Yeah, that's cool.
And same thing, like if you want to leave the badge red, because you can probably get away with that.
Definitely.
And the DRL is white. All you have to do is go in and figure out which 2 switches are your DRLs and your badge.
And then turn off the rest of the stuff. Because it'll tell memory, you said, right?
Exactly. So it'll
I'm glad we did that. Guys, I wasn't sure if I was going to do the grill insert on the hood, but I'm glad I told you to do that too. Damn, this is so nice. Wow.
You can create like custom patterns in the app where you can turn everything, to strobe.
Yep.
It's got a bunch of regular functions. There's this disco
even the
function,
purple looks good too. This is so nice.
That's on voice control now, so that'll be music. This is the microphone on the phone, so you see the
so whatever
sensitivity. Yeah.
Nice.
So if we stop talking, it shuts off.
That's so crazy.
Then you've got you do have a music feature on here. You've got 7 color strobe, white strobe.
Yep. And what I was saying before, so there's one power line that's feeding all this stuff to the battery, and that's all in one fuse located at the battery?
There's one main fuse for the power distribution.
Yep.
But then there's 5 individual fuses for the remote.
Okay.
And 6 fuses for the switch panel.
So what I guess I want to know from you is, well, I need to probably know where the fuses are in case.
Yeah, I mean the main fuse I'd show you.
Yeah. The other ones are hidden?
If you ever blow, it's underneath and behind the glove compartment.
No, I'm not going to do that. Yeah.
If you ever blow a fuse, there's a reason they're there, and I'd like you to bring it in so take a look.
Okay. Yeah, just the one at the battery. Like I said, I should not, like my car right now doesn't get driven every single day, although that might change after what you just did.
But the way I do it though is with service in mind, is that if you have to take it somewhere, the only thing, and you say you have to get the bumper taken off, the only thing the tech has to do is disconnect 2 plug and play plugs
over by the light, right?
By the passenger side,
Yep.
that attach to the badge and the bottom underbody.
Okay.
They're color coded and they're dummy proof, so you can't reverse them or switch them around.
Once he disconnects that, before he gets to that point though, I'm going to disconnect the fuse.
You don't even need to.
Okay.
Because once all the switches are off, everything's off from the car.
Gotcha.
So when you have the switches off, there's zero draw, nothing, you know, nothing.
I swear to God, I feel like a little kid on Christmas right now, man. Man.
So on the inside, you've got 6 switches right down the dash.
Okay.
This is your special DRL button. That just makes it so you know that that's your DRL. If that's on, that's on.
Yep.
Then you've got.
It does everything else.
So that shuts everything off. So if I just flip this on, that's going to be. So the way you had me design it was that the driver side. I mean the DRLs. Hold on. Go to it. So now when you go into the app, only the DRLs are there.
Yep.
And they're still on strobe. This is one thing I have to show you is how to use the white feature. So the white feature, the OEM white feature is controlled in the warm menu. Okay. When you hit black and it shuts the white off, when you hit yellow it shuts it on. But see how it's like a pink? Yep. That's because your colors are still on. Okay. So you turn the colors brightness all the way down. And that's going to leave it on white. And then that's OEM white. So now you can function OEM white from there. And then whatever my favorite combinations are, I can save that in a separate group or something like that you were saying? Yeah, so you can save your colors to the patterns and stuff to a separate group. But otherwise, as far as saving like the combinations, that's going to just be the memory feature. So however you whatever was last. I gotcha. Okay. So that's DRL. And guys, yeah, I'm glad you mentioned that because I know when they see that light flickering down there, that was because it was on strobe, not, So now, so this panel. Oh, you put lighting in the back too? Yeah, so this panel matches your DRLs. Okay. So in the driver's side, like you wanted, if I turn on red DRLs, your feet are going to be red. Yeah, and guys, we did that because if I'm driving around and say, for example, I'm in a place with a lot of cops, I want to know that I have the red lights on so I don't get, pulled over. So, but without getting out of the car, I'll know my interior lights are red, and that means my daytime marine lights are also red. But now the other one, I got to see which one's the bad. Yep. That's the 2. Just tell me when the badge comes on. Okay. Yep. So that's your badge. Love that badge too. But now the way the badge is done is that's your passenger side floorboard. Man, that glow in the back seat too, man. That's so nice. So now that's the badge is that your passenger side floorboard. So if you change the badge color, it's going to change the inside of the car. All right, so that way I know what color the badge is. I gotcha. So being that those two are going to be the main that you use, you'll always know which. That's cool. Which. Very cool. That's awesome. So now the badge would be blue or purple and the DRLs would be red. Wow. So I think for normal driving, we could probably get away with that. I agree, yeah. Yeah, just the white lights and the red badge. The Bluetooth app does have a timer function. So you can set it for like 4 hours like at the mall or wherever, and just walk away from it and it'll shut off in 4 hours. That's awesome. Such a crazy mod. But now, one of the more important things, especially with running all these lights, is that when we do everything, it's not like a giant spider's rat's nest under the hood. There's not one wire anywhere. It's, and even like the one there's lights up here in the grill and you don't see any wires anywhere, guys. Everything's completely hidden. That's the one wire. He ran them right where the OEM wires were, basically. The engine compartment's completely clean, looks completely stock. So let me ask you a question, because I'm not gonna lie, after I spoke to you the last time and you told me how you do things, I was convinced you're the guy I gotta come to for wiring stuff. So, do you only install your products, or if I have a product that I want to install? You do other products too. Not lighting products, like I have something for like the license plate that I had an idea. So anything electronic. Yeah. Hardwired radar detectors. Yeah. Stuff like that. Okay. Yeah, because I don't want to go to like a regular stereo shop. But we do install other brand lights. It's just that generally it depends on the brand or whether or not we'll warranty the label.
Yeah.
With our product, we warranty the labor and the product for the lifetime you own in the vehicle.
And guys, that's the main reason why I wanted to come, because look, on my 2012 Challenger, I told you, I had a lot of issues with another product, and then I had another installer. The real reason why I trusted him the most was because he makes the product, and he's also the guy installing the product, so he can't point fingers to another vendor or anything like that. He's the guy, and he's warrantying it.
Even a lot of our dealers that are, you know, everywhere in the country,
yeah,
they have their own warranties regarding labor, but generally speaking, as long as an authorized dealer installs our parts, we still warranty the part.
The part, yeah. Yeah.
So it just depends what they're charging, how they're doing their labor.
Yeah.
I know that installing it myself, or my guys here installing it,
yeah,
it was installed right the first time. So
correct.
If something happens, it's a freak accident, and it doesn't happen enough where I can't afford to warranty it as long as, you know, as long as you're on it. Plus, all you guys get, you know, a new car every 3 years.
Yeah. Yeah. So if, I know this is going to be the first question everybody's asking, so if people want a pricing or parts, who do they call? What's the number they can call?
100%. So the phone number is 973-803-2834. Business hours are Monday through Friday, 9 to 5. And we're also available by all social media outlets, Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat. You can message someone on there generally any time of day and get a response within about an hour.
Okay, all right guys, and I'll have all their info in the description below. I absolutely love the way this is, and we're gonna be doing the Jeep. The Jeep is gonna probably be next, then the 2020 Corvette. So that one I can't wait. That one's gonna be, well, guys, I'll be announcing the rest of the stuff coming in the next videos. But anyway, I'm gonna wrap things up. We're gonna go inside. We're gonna pair this on my phone, and I'll probably be parked somewhere playing with the lights for like a couple hours like a little kid. All right, I'll see you guys in a few. All right, guys, so I'm finally home, and I'm filming this part of the video now at nighttime because it's the perfect time to show you guys lights. I'm not gonna lie, I feel like a little kid over here playing with those lights. The lights just turned off because I had them on a timer, which is actually another really cool feature. Let me turn them back on real quick, hold on. And then I have like 5 different Bluetooth modules. Each module controls different lights. You didn't have to do all those modules like I did, but having all those different modules just gives you a lot more flexibility, different options. Here we go. Just kind of turn them on real quick. There you go. I mean, seriously. now it looks like a Hellcat. You know, this Hellcat looks like it just came straight out of hell right now with the lights. And like I said, with all the different Bluetooth modules I have, I could set all the different lights to all different colors, patterns, whatever the heck you want to do. To be honest with you, I feel like this is like one of the first modifications I should have done. Well, maybe the second. First one's always a mid-muffler delete because Hellcats are just too quiet. So mid-muffler delete, then go ahead, get this LMI holder intake, of course, too. I mean, there's so many cool mods, but I do really love this. And now the Rubicon that's right next to me, even though I know you probably can't see it too well, I'm going to be bringing that also to lighting Trendz. So they're going to install different lights on the Rubicon. The Rubicon lights are going to be rock lights. They're actually meant for off-roading, like rock crawling, that kind of thing at nighttime. And you can just light up the whole bottom of the Jeep in white, change it to different colors, whatever you want. But I think, I told you, I want to have a theme going with all 3 of my cars. So I want the Jeep, the Hellcat, and the 2020 Corvette. I'm bringing all my cars down to lighting Trendz so they could do their thing. They did an awesome job. And guys, thank you so much for what you did, because I love how you guys did the wiring. I love that I could pop the hood open. You don't see wires anywhere. And it looks like it came from the, you know, from the factory like this. It looks awesome. Thank you very much for watching, guys, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.